Hey guys, David Rocco here, and I'm going to show you a fantastic recipe. It is spinach and kale that gets pureed into a soup, and then I add in some Riso Scotti, some arborio Italian rice, and it just becomes this nice hearty one-pot meal. So if you like my recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you want to see how to make this, just keep watching. So first thing is our kale and spinach right into a pot. So you might think there's lots of spinach and kale, but this just all shrinks. So I'm gonna add a little bit of water and some garlic. We're not even using olive oil or sauteing anything. Everything goes into one pot. It's a beautiful recipe and it's super healthy. A little bit of salt. Turning the heat on high, we're just gonna cook down the spinach and then we're gonna give it a quick puree. Done. Okay, so this has been cooking for what? Maybe 10 minutes, and come and take a look. We had so much and now we're left with very, very little. And it smells amazing. And the garlic has been cooking alongside. And just with the hand blender, give it a mix. If you want to put it in a stand blender, no problem. Just make sure you're careful. It's hot. And look at the color change. Okay, beautiful. And look at this gorgeous color. It's almost turned into an emerald green. So I have my Italian arborio rice. So I'm just eyeballing it. I've added about a cup of rice. You can add more or less, and the more rice you put in, the more risotto style it will be. Less rice will be more soupy. So keep an eye on it, stir it every so often, and it's done in about 18 minutes. It is now ready, and if you want to add more water at this point to kind of lengthen it and make it a little more soupy, that's totally cool. I kind of like to have it a little in between a risotto and a soup. So I'm just going to cut a lemon and add some freshly squeezed lemon juice right in. And I just love that fresh squeeze of lemon juice in my soups, whether it's a minestrone, minestra, they're fantastic with that little tartness. Okay, beautiful. Oh my God, smells fantastic. Look at this. A little bit of Parmigiano and a little drizzle of olive oil. Fantastic. Guys, listen to your mother and eat your greens. Ammazza buona.